How easy to build distributed application with MassTransit. MassTransit is a set of libraries which reduce complexity of application by expose a new abstraction over all major message broking like RabbitMQ, Azure Service Bus, and of course Amazon SQS. Let's hit into the code. I'm start from two blank console application. First thing to do is set up our producer. For that, I'm gonna add a package, Microsoft Extension Hosting. It allows to use a generic host. I'm gonna use the preview version, but you can use whatever you want. Now I can say var builder equal host dot create application builder. For next step, let's look for MassTransit library. The library allows us to configure MassTransit itself. And I start to typing, and as you can see, there is a lot of different transportation, but I'm gonna use Amazon SQS. Let's install it first. It's funny because MassTransit also have a preview developer version, but who cares? Let's use it. The registering of MassTransit is quite easy. All I'm gonna say builder service add MassTransit, and then I'm gonna use bus configurator inside. After it, all I need to do is set up a transport here by saying bus configurator dot using Amazon SQS, and then use overload here to have access to context and configurator as well. And I'm gonna just say configurator dot host. The host method accepts a region. Let's use the closed one. And also, I have to provide a credential here. I'm gonna use environment variable credentials. Cool. And I have the last thing. It's I'm gonna say configurator dot configurate and points, and I'm gonna provide our context here. For the next step, I need somehow send events to our consumer. But first, I have to have the event, obviously. For that, let's add a new project and name it shared. The shared project will have only one type. Let's rename it like user registered event. And I'm gonna make it as a sealed record. And it will have only ID and date of registry. Now we can easily use it in our producer and consumer. For that, I'm gonna add a new hosted service and name it user hosted service. I'm gonna add it in Git. Of course, my hosted service will be inherited from background one. Let's implement the missing member. The service will be set I publishing endpoint. The type was added during the registering of master. What I need to do here, just create a new event. Let's do it by say var user registered event equal new. But first I need to refer my shared project for producer. And now I can use shared event. The event will have a random ID and the current time. Let's publish event by say await publishing endpoint. Oh, of course, I have to mark the method as a scene, and then I can say dot publish and send our event. Now I have to add the series in the I. It can be done by say builder dot services add hosted series and specify just created series. And last step is to run the app. I have to create the app first by builder.build. And then I can say app.run. Now I can set up the consumer. First thing I'm gonna to do is look for same packages. The same package as I already have in producer. First package is gonna be Microsoft extensions host. As I told before, the package exposes the new types for generic host. Let's install it. And of course, I need MassTransit. Let's install MassTransit Amazon SQS. The next step is gonna be set up MassTransit. I will skip it because it's the same way as I did in Producer. Here we go. Let's add a consumer of the event. The consumer will have a name user registered event consumer. And it should be inherited from iConsumer. And as generic parameter, it should be our event. But first, let's add a reference to a shared project. And now we can use the event. Let's implement missing members. The consumer of event will take a logger. I'm gonna use it a little bit late for logs receive events. And here we go. Let's log events. And I say logger.log information and provide a string to log. And let's return just empty completed task result. The last step before running the app is add consumer in the bus. It can be done by bus configurator, add consumer, and specify just created one. Now I can run the app, but before I have to build it first by builder.build. And then I can say app.run. So let's run the app and see what we got. I'm gonna run it. Let's open the consume console. And as you can see, there is a event from our producer. And it's very easy to build this app with MassTransit. You just need a few lines for that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment down below.